Well, hi guys. Tuesday the 12th, 11th? Nope, the 11th of February, and messenger just popped up. I know who that is. I'll talk to him in a minute. But hopefully he's watching. Oh, come on! I could put silicone on this thing, or smash some in there, do something with it, because it has a tendency to come off. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna smash some silicone in there, and it's not coming off up here. Just like right at the top here, as it's coming off. I'm gonna smash some silicone in there, and it's not coming off down here past this, which is weird. Only right in here as it's coming off. So I'll smash some silicone in there. But we'll get this interior cleaned out, and we'll go ahead and find us a broom, sweep it out, then we'll take some Armor All and clean it. Okay, so I removed everything from up here. We shut these vents. I guess we'll go ahead and spray. Be careful not to get on the glass. Let it sit for I don't know, maybe a minute or so, then we'll do split paper towels. That's why I cut you guys when I did. Then we'll go ahead and wipe it. I know it's not super clean, but this stuff is on hand, so I use it and make it last. Don't hurt to clean things, but when it gets used all the time in the mud and the dirt and all that, it kind of makes things hard to keep clean. We'll take a video now when we're doing it, then we'll do a video clip when we're done. Now the real test is gonna come when we try this side. Yeah, all dirty. So, guess we'll go ahead and spray. Do this section, then we'll do the lower section. It don't look too darn bad. Oh, missed a little bit. Got it. Yeah, that don't look too bad at all. Now I know I should be using the other stuff that I got, but this Armor All, we got so much of it that I just want to see what it does. And this is a good test for it, for cleaning my gator. And that's what John Deere recommends, where I bought this machine. Oh yeah, make it like new again. I think that's a scratch right there. Oh yeah, it just cuts right through that mud. Oh yeah, it just cuts right through it. Like it's not even there. And last but not least, the pedals and the bottom half here. It ain't the world's best cleaning job, but it's better than it was. It's a whole lot better than it was. Whole lot better than it was. I'm gonna put this radio bit back in this gator, and I kinda know how I want to do it this time. Let me hold that thought. Okay, so we got some new tape stuck to the top of the cab. Oh yeah, that's gonna work perfect. Not too big, not too small. I'm gonna let that adhere for a couple of minutes. I can see it's still a little bit wanting to come up, so we'll let it adhere to the plastic roof. Then we'll come back and put our piece of angle iron on, and then put the antenna on it, and figure out how we're gonna run the coax. And the heat comes on. How about now? Getting there. So I'm trying to look for a hole or something to where I can go down and over into the back of the cab somewhere. And I'm not really having the best of luck with trying to find anything like an access hole or anything. Okay guys, just headed home from work, and I tell you what, it feels good having a clean machine, clean interior, and I went ahead, put the CB back in this thing. Got it plugged in, and I'll show you how I ran my coax when I get home. So how I got my coax run probably isn't the smartest way to do it. I got it run down here alongside, comes in through here and runs down back behind this here. Down there's a hole in the bed, and it comes out along this cover here underneath the floor. But what I don't like is how when I turn my wheel, the CB always like that. It's probably from the electric power steering. Turn up a little more and it still does it. But when I had the coax run differently, I could have the squelch right there and turn the wheel and all that, and it not do it. So might be running the coax again eventually, which kind of stinks, but we'll live with it for now and see how I like it. But I just run it underneath here, run under the floor mat, and come up over here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. You guys ready for the surprise? Here we go. Ooh. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be more to come.